This is the most behind I've ever been on starting a garden. After a year of disaster, loss, and chaos, I've wondered if it's even worth starting one at all. I've walked past these beds so many times in the last few weeks and thought, maybe I just won't plant anything this year. After everything we've been through, it honestly just feels like too much. In the past few months, we've had a tornado hit just down the street. Our new property got struck by lightning. We lost power out there. We lost our sweet dog, Rocky. Then lightning struck again, this time at our current home, and took out a bunch of the electronics here, like our dryer and our internet modem. All of that has pushed us behind on our renovations. We're behind on garden plans, and honestly, we just feel like we're behind on life. We still don't have running water at the homestead. We're living in limbo between two properties, and we've both been sick throughout this on top of everything. It's just been a lot. Our viewers know it's been a hard season for us, but I also know that we're not alone. I'm not the only one who's ever wondered if I should keep going when everything falls apart. So the question keeps echoing in my mind, should I even start a garden this year? What if I can't keep up with it? What if it just becomes another thing to feel guilty about? What if there's just not enough time or energy or even hope left to do it? But here's the thing. Every year that I've had a garden, even a small one, it has helped me. It's kept me grounded, reminded me that life still grows in broken places. And maybe this year, more than any other year, I need that reminder. So, no, I'm not going to get to plant a full garden this time, at least not a big, ambitious one, but I am going to plant a few things. I've already got a few brassicas planted and some tomatoes. I do still want to plant some beans and cucumbers, a few things like that. Just enough to remind myself that it's not too late to grow something beautiful. And besides that, I know later in the season when life starts to settle down, because hopefully it will start to settle down, I know I'll see everybody else's gardens flourishing as they're bringing in their harvest, and I'll regret not starting if I don't do anything at all. So if you're behind this year, I want to encourage you and tell you it's not too late to start something. Maybe you just plant a few things. Maybe you let some of your garden rest for the year. Or maybe you just start with one container on your porch. That still counts. It still matters. And if you've ever grown a garden in the middle of a hard season, I would love to hear your story. You know, they do say that gardening, putting your hands in the soil, does help you mentally and emotionally. Scientifically, it's proven that it is good for the soul. So let's encourage each other this year, no matter how small our gardens may be. Let's keep going and growing, even when life gets hard. And remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources. We love you guys. And remember to subscribe because it's free.